Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Oakley sunglasses, model 00920 in color code 55. The color of the frame is matte black. And these glasses are a shield shape. On its temple, you'll find the Oakley logo. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. The temples are also rubber. And the lenses are Polarized Prizm Deep Water Blue. You'll also find the Oakley logo engraved in the middle of the frame. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimension of its temple, which is 128. The glasses also come with an Oakley gift box, an Oakley hard case, an Oakley dust bag, and an Oakley manufacturer booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.